Welcome back, tech enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Tech Live. I'm your host, John, and today we have an incredible lineup of new technologies to discuss. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's dive right in. Our first topic today is the future of smart homes. With the advancement of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, our homes are becoming smarter than ever. Joining me today is Sarah, an expert in home automation. Welcome, Sarah.
Thanks, John. It's great to be here.
Sarah, what are some of the latest innovations in smart home technology that our viewers should know about?
Well, John, one exciting development is voice-controlled smart assistants that can now integrate with almost every aspect of your home. From adjusting the temperature and lighting to even brewing your morning coffee, these devices make our lives more convenient and efficient.
That sounds incredible. And what about security and privacy concerns?
Excellent question, John. With increased connectivity, security is of utmost importance. We'll be discussing the latest encryption and authentication technologies that are ensuring the safety of our smart homes.
Moving on to our next topic, augmented reality is a rapidly evolving field with endless possibilities. Today, we have Mark, a developer working in AR, to shed some light on this fascinating technology. Welcome, Mark.
Thanks, John. Glad to be here.
Mark, AR has gained significant attention in recent years. Can you give us an overview of some practical applications?
Absolutely, John. Augmented reality is transforming various industries, from gaming and entertainment to education and healthcare. We'll be exploring how AR is revolutionizing these sectors and opening up new opportunities for immersive experiences.
That's fantastic. I can't wait to see what the future holds for AR. And what about the hardware requirements for AR devices?
Great question, John. We'll delve into the advancements in AR headsets and how they are becoming more lightweight, affordable, and user-friendly.
Feast your eyes on this beauty. It's the latest gadget from XYZ Tech. Joining us is Emily, a tech enthusiast who will guide us through its features. Welcome, Emily.
Thank you, John. I'm thrilled to be here.
Emily, this gadget looks impressive. Can you give us a sneak peek into its capabilities?
Absolutely, John. We'll explore its sleek design, advanced features, and how it can enhance our daily lives. Plus, we'll showcase some practical demonstrations to see it in action.
That concludes our episode for today. A big thank you to our guests, Sarah and Mark, for sharing their expertise with us. And of course, thank you, viewers, for joining us on this journey through new technologies. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.